Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I have a grocery haul for you today. Everything here, every single thing is actually from Target. I normally do not grocery shop there. I love Target and I go pretty much once a week to pick up like household things, and every once in a while I'll pick up like a grocery item here and there. But I actually did all of our grocery shopping there today for a couple reasons. One, we just got home from camping and we just barely got the vehicle unloaded, and I knew I wanted to get to the grocery store before it got too late in the day. And Target is actually one of the closest stores to my house in general. And I had a bunch of these gift cards. You guys know how you get these when you purchase like a select set of items or something. Well, I had a bunch of these. I actually got this one today. I had a bunch of these saved up and I thought, why not use them for a majority of what I needed today? So the retail price of everything here was like $111, but with all of my gift cards, I only paid like $28 for all this stuff. So I thought it was time to use them up, and it was close to my house. So I'm going to start over here and work my way this way. This is just very specific things that we needed. I plan to do a bigger, or not a bigger necessarily, but a produce based haul, hopefully after work one night this week, but kind of a rush job today because of the situation. So I got a lot of good deals. These were on sale 4 for $5, the Body Armor drinks. I like to give these to my husband, so I got him a mixed berry, an orange mango, a tropical punch, and a strawberry banana. I grabbed the Archer Farms sliced cottage bread. I've had this a few times before. Just a small loaf, again, just to get us through the first few days of work. Berries were buy one, get one half off, so I got strawberries, which were I think $2.49, and blueberries, which I think were $2.50, so I got one of them for half off. These I really like, the Ocean Spray. These are the Growing Goodness, and they all have different like health properties. This one is immune health, one of them is digestion, and there's a couple other ones as well. So I got this last month for Grady, and I actually ended up drinking them. My husband and I drink juice pouches all the time. But I got one of these, and I also got one of the Capri Sun Roaring Water ones. I like the Roaring Water ones better. I don't know why, I just think they taste better. And they do have less sugar as well, and we all drink those. These were on sale, actually cheaper than Walmart, so I got these for Grady, the Stonyfield strawberry smoothies. These pouches were also on sale as well, so I got him the strawberry banana. We needed Kleenex, so I just got a little 4-pack of cube little box Kleenex. I grabbed some of this Deli Fresh Oscar Mayer Mesquite smoked turkey just to get us through again the first few days for the week with sandwiches, or I can cut this up and put it on a salad. I got some caramel frappuccinos for Matt to take to work. They were on sale as well, I think for $5, I think, for a 4-pack. I grabbed one of these, I think last week or the week before, in this berry pop scent, and it's actually really nice. I have it burning right now, on the old one burning on my table right now. But it was $3.48. I just grabbed it. Again, I mentioned, I think in the last Target video I did, that I'm holding out for the fall candles at Bath & Body Works, so I just need a couple small guys to get me through until I stock up for the fall. I needed my Coffee Mate creamer, so I got the Italian sweet cream, sugar-free, which is what I like. Grady's getting low on mouthwash, so we have I got the Kids Bubblegum mouthwash. I switched last month, I believe it was, to the Cascade gel, or the liquid version. I used to use the pods for years and years and years, but I was having problems with them sticking together and getting weird, and I really love this. This is the Cascade Complete Citrus Breeze. This is like $6. It lasts, in my opinion, longer than the pods, the bottle, versus buying a box, and it's much, much, much cheaper. I used to spend like $20 on one of the big boxes of the pods, and we pretty much run our dishwasher like once a day because I cook a lot, so we have a lot of dishes. I would say at least once a day, maybe every other day on rare occasion, but I love this. So if you're thinking about switching from pods to liquid, I can highly recommend this. I think it works really good. My son needed a new toothbrush, so I like to buy things like this in twos. So these are what I picked out. They're the Firefly Power Protect, some like robot thing, I don't know. But whenever I get him a toothbrush, I like to usually buy them in pairs, and he really seems to do better with the battery powered ones, like the ones with you know, with a button on it. Anyways, I got him 2 of these. today, so he's good for one right now, and then I'll have a backup. I grabbed these odor neutralizers. I want to put one in my laundry room because we hang dry. I hang dry all of our clothes, and I just don't want it to get musty in there, and I want another one for the basement and another one as a backup. I needed some laundry detergent. So I do love Persil still, because I know a lot of you guys know that I'm a Persil girl. But I love trying new products. I recently tried a Tide plant-based one. I really liked it. It was like a lavender honey. That's just about empty. So I grabbed 2 of these Gain Botanical plant-based detergent in white tea and lavender. They were only $9.99. I thought that was a great price. And that's where I got another, they have a promotion this week, which I didn't even know about. If you spend $50 on like cleaning supplies or laundry supplies or household paper goods, you get a $15 gift card from Target. So I have 2 of those, which will last me a good long while. I got my favorite wood cleaner. It's the Murphy Oil Soap Spray Cleaner. This one is 98% naturally derived ingredients. I love this wood cleaner for any wood surface that I need to dust or clean. I grabbed these Nature Valley Crispy Creamy Wafer Bars in peanut butter and chocolate for my husband. Some of these Market Pantry Chewy Monster granola bars for my husband. I'm not a big granola bar fan. My husband is and my son is, but I'm just not a huge fan. I don't know why. Breakfast sandwiches for Matt for a breakfast option this week. I got some disinfecting wipes. This is part of Grady's back to school bundle. His teacher and the school supply list said, if possible, a donation or, you know, like a wish list item is these disinfectant wipes. We still have over a month here where we live before the kids go back to school. They don't go back till after Labor Day in September, but I'm compiling all this stuff now. So I grabbed that for her classroom. This coffee I got at Bed Bath & Beyond, actually before I went camping, but I just forgot to put it away before we went camping. So that is why that is here if you're curious. I like getting it there because I can use my 20% off coupon. Not really part of the haul, but just thought I'd mention it since it was sitting right there. And then lastly, I just got some good old paper towels, just the Bounty paper towels, because we were getting low on our stock of those. So yeah, guys, I think this is a pretty good, I thought I did pretty good for $111. And then I also got that $15 gift card for free for buying stuff I was already going to buy. So Target has a lot of good deals like that going on now. I heard there's also $20 gift card for any baby supplies like diapers, wipes, baby bottles, formula. I'm pretty sure it goes through August 3rd. So I don't know if you guys are going to see this video before then. But anyways, this is what I grabbed for the week. I'm either going to have another haul after this or the meal plan. I'm not sure which one yet. Hey guys, so I did go to Walmart and I picked up the rest of the stuff that I needed for the week into the weekend, and I think this was like $65-ish. I know it was like just under 70. I got some Shock Top because all of our beer that we had was drank on camping. My dad, my mom, and Matt drank it all, so we got some Shock Top to have at the house. I needed some Romaine Hearts, so I grabbed a package of these, some hard salami for sandwiches and salads. Some green onions. I just got the Great Value brand for enchiladas, and whatever's left I'll just use in salads. I got the tortillas that I use for enchiladas. A couple people told me about these. I can never remember names. I'm sorry, but thank you for recommending this because I'm excited to try it. It's the McCormick Girl Mates Honey Sriracha Marinade. There was another one that I was told to try. I can't remember the name, so if you see this, let me know down in the comments down below what the other flavor was, because there was a few new ones, but I did remember that one. I grabbed another of these Taylor Farms turkey and cheddar kits. A couple people asked me where I got the last one that I showed in one of my husband's lunches. I just grabbed this at Walmart, of course, since that's where I just came from. Pumpkin Spice Coffee Mate. This is the only size I could find in it, and this was the only bottle left. So I grabbed this for my husband. He's going to be really excited because he loves pumpkin spice creamer in his coffee. I found 2 new flavors of vitamin water that I've never seen before. This one is Fire. It's spicy watermelon lime, so I'm excited for my husband to try that. And then this one is Ice, and it's cool blueberry lavender, and I'm excited for that one. I think I'll have this and I'll give this to Matt or whatever. Hopefully they're good though. So I grabbed those. I got some multi-grain scoops. Whoever it was that told me to try these, thank you, because we loved them. We ate a whole bag, my family and I, camping. It was really good, so I really like those. So thank you for who recommended those to me. Got a cucumber, some tomatoes for salads and cooking, some peppers. I didn't get to make it to Aldi, so I had to go to Walmart. I got an orange, yellow, and red. It was like $3.28 for this. Some black olives to throw in salads and my husband's lunches. I needed a bag of cooking onions, so I got those. I needed a bag of potatoes, so I got that. These are the mini little bottled water for Grady to take to camp. Some penne pasta, some tricolor rotini. I use these both for like pasta salads and obviously pasta night. Cat food for the cat. This is just an 18-pack variety pack of Pringles. It's got 6 original, 6 sour cream and onion, and 6 cheddar cheese. I think that is everything. I'm trying to roll through this a little quick because it is very hot and this stuff was in the car for a while. So yeah, I'm going to share now my meal plan for next week. Hey guys, so meal plan for the upcoming week, which is Sunday, August 4th through Saturday, August 10th. One night we're going to do beef enchiladas with Spanish rice. I like to do enchiladas, I don't know, like every month or every other month. I always put them on the meal plan. They don't always happen, but they're definitely a favorite. We have some chicken wings to use up in the freezer, so we're going to grill those up. I'll make some kind of little veggie salad, and we're just going to do some good old Kraft mac and cheese on the side. Bone-in pork chops one night on the grill. I'm going to do the tomato basil, like little steamer pack potatoes, and then I'll probably just have some applesauce on the side. One night next week we're going to do pizza takeout from one of the local pizza places here because we both have to work late, so it just makes it easier for us to do that one night. One night I'm going to do BLT sandwiches with some of the Green Giant broccoli tots. Breakfast next week, French toast, home fries, and fruit. I've got potatoes, I've got fruit I need to use up, and some brioche bread frozen that I need to use up. So I'll go ahead and use those things up. Of course, I have my freebie night. And yeah, pretty easy meal plan for next week. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I have a new What's for Dinner video going up on Monday. And then next week, Wednesday, I have a What's for Lunch sort of video going up. It was kind of like a What's for Lunch fail. So what I did was added in some footage from our camping trip. So it's kind of a mixed bag for that video. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you all on Monday with a new What's for Dinner video.